Welcome to this video on using ProvisionPoint with Microsoft Teams. In this video, I will demonstrate how ProvisionPoint can be configured so that a request for a new team requires approval. I am logged into ProvisionPoint as a user called Demo User. I can request a new Microsoft team from the Request tab. The Request tab shows me the different objects my organization has defined I can request. I am going to select Team Workspace. I can see from this option it will create a SharePoint site, Office 365 group, and Microsoft Team. I need to provide a name for my team and optionally a description. Dependent on the settings configured, I can set privacy and visibility of the team. My administrator has defined certain custom request field values which are required when requesting this team. I can set owners and members of this team. They will also be granted access to the Office 365 group and SharePoint site. Once I have completed the request form, I select Request. You will notice the team does not start to create immediately. This is because for this request type, an approval workflow has been configured. The approval request can be routed to a user or Active Directory group. I have switched to another browser session, this time for the approving user. I have received an email notifying me about the approval request. From this email, I can access the approval task, or I can access all my approval tasks from within the ProvisionPoint app. If I click on Action for a specific task, I can see more information, including who made the request and information provided at the point of request. I can choose to either approve or reject this request with the option to provide comments. Switching back to the browser session for the user who made the request, I can now see the request is in progress. I will also have received an email notifying me the request has been approved. The team has now been created, and in the directory, I can click on the info link to access more information. There is a link to open the newly created team in either the browser or the Teams app. Here is the newly created team using any settings defined within ProvisionPoint. In this video, I demonstrated how by using ProvisionPoint, an approval step can be added as part of the team creation process. If you would like more information on how ProvisionPoint improves the governance of Microsoft Teams, please contact us using the details on screen.